If I say I want to uplift the livelihoods of farmers, that would be so philosophical, but then that's what I'm doing. You see me in a crowd of more than 5 people, I'm that person who sits in the corner. I'm not that cool girl and all that. I'm more of a one-to-one person. Writing is one form of expression for me. I am angry, I'm sad, I'm super happy, I write it down. It's the way of me to express what is going on in my mind. I like my me time. When I walk alone, I have my music. I'm at peace at that time. That gives me time to think, time to dream. When I was studying, I really wanted to be a researcher. Somehow bring down the cost of cultivation was my thing. In a way that's benefiting the farmers. Indian farming communities, you know how vast it is, and then farming happens a lot in the rural areas. So even my parents were like quite skeptical when I said I want to become an extension officer and all. They were like, "Dhoop mein to nahi ja rahi tu." It was killing me that okay, I have this in my hand, but I don't have a channel to express it. I cannot do anything on my own. Alone, so I cannot definitely do anything. That's when ITC as an organization came into for recruitment. The reach the company has, the diversity, the spread is something that attracted me to join this company. From day one, the presentation when it happened itself, I knew I would want to be in the sustainability and crop development team. So after my induction was done, so the team manager started telling, now you start to travel, now you go to locations. For the first time when I saw the villages in UP and all, I was like, this is not for me. Inside, I didn't have that confidence that I'll be able to do it. Every time my boss says to do something, I'm like, sir, am I doing the right thing? Because then he'll ask, why are you thinking it's the wrong thing? Because I've not done it before, tell me how to do it, because I don't know. And it's like, take charge. Be confident. You're going from DHQ, you go like, I know everything, if I don't, I learn and I'll complete anyway. The company itself is like that, it's so welcoming. Whenever a new idea comes to play, they definitely have the patience to at least listen to it and consider whether this can happen in this year or after some year, and if it's possible, they execute it. And when they execute it, the pace is amazing. You go to locations and the farmers, the Sanchalak tells you the story. This was there, 2017 this happened to us. The heritage is also there, for ITC. There's a long story, there's a history for everything, and there's always emotions attached to everything. It's like one small intervention, one small decision we take here, it's going to affect a lot of people. That is getting transformed to a lot of locations, and then the end result, the end product, everything is coming from a large number of people. So one small change, it's like that ripple effect. Every day nowadays I learn something new, and some things which I thought which I knew and was correct has been proven wrong. Initially it was all that, the big words, empowerment, no starvation, no hunger, upliftment, all that. Now I know what to do, now I have a channel to do. So that gives you a lot of confidence, that you go to sleep so that you wake up next day to do something better. As a girl, as a woman also, I've become a more independent, strong and confident. If ITC was a person, it would be like superstar Rajinikanth. Like, we can do anything, that's the thing. You say something, like a new idea comes up or anything, you go and tell to your boss and say, sir, nobody has done this before. So what? We challenge and change. Just 1 year in ITC, but still, what a journey. What a journey, really.